Two. Can I talk? Can I have a turn?
Wait.
Okay. What do you think's in this box?
I don't know.
Do you think it's hair stuff?
Let's see.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I wonder what's inside.
I think it's hair stuff.
I don't know.
Are you pumped?
Maybe it's not. It's just maybe just a picture.
I think it's hair stuff.
I don't know.
I'm excited.
Okay, let's just open it.
Hey girls, open it up. Let's see what's inside. I already took the tape off, so you just saw. You have to do it. Just open it. Don't make it more complicated. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is the new, guys, this is the new collection from Lustrous Locks called Little Locks. This is a new hair care brand for little girls. Look at strawberry vanilla detangling spray. You know how you guys get ouchies when mommy brushes your hair?
Yeah.
This takes the ouchie, like this spray right here gets all the ouchies out. So when mommy brushes your hair, there's no ouchies in it. Oh my gosh, this is brand new. Are you guys excited to try this? This is a hair mask for little ones, a shampoo and conditioner.
This is all for us.
This is all for you guys. Yeah, so you got the strawberry vanilla detangling spray, the wild yam and maple glaze conditioner, the coconut and cucumber shampoo, the pineapple and honey hair care glaze, and the oatmeal and molasses hair soak deep conditioner. This is great because mommy's sick of using her hair stuff on you guys. So now you guys have something to try. Are you going to let everybody know how much you love the stuff? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I can't wait for you guys to try. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today I have for you, I'm here with my favorite ladies, Elvie and Avelina, my daughters. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so today we are here because we're really excited. Oh, sorry, your hair got caught. We're really excited to... Can I talk? Can I have a turn?
Wait.
Okay. Let me say my thing and then you say your thing, okay? Okay, so today we're here. We're really excited to talk to you about some really awesome hair products that the girls have been testing out over the last like month and a half to 2 months, right?
Right.
Yeah. So you guys may have remembered months ago I did a video talking about some hair products I tested out from a company called Lustrous Locks, and they contacted me again and they said they actually just released a brand new line of kids hair products and they want to know if these girls would be willing to try it. The girls absolutely were super excited to try it. Do you get excited to try the hair stuff? Yeah, so we decided to test out these hair products. Hold on, you can tell me in a minute, okay? And so we were sent this awesome box of goodies to try out. It's really cool. Like, they came out with an entire awesome rollout of kids hair products. So we got a shampoo and conditioner. Can you hold those for me? Okay, hold them up. Hold them up. Hold up. And we got a deep conditioning, like, hair and scalp mask. Can you hold that for me? And a detangling spray. Can you hold that? You got such a weird face right now. And we were also sent a light, like moderate hold hair gel. So, all right, you girls can put them back in the box if you want to. So basically, these products are really great. They're like, you want to hold the spray thing? They're made from really awesome ingredients, good stuff to put in your hair. I actually would compare them a lot to a like Shea Moisture hair product line. So girls, what do you think of these things? How do you like your hair after using these hair products?
Good.
What do you think, Avelina? Do you think that your hair feels better after using these when you use other products, or do you think your hair is easier to comb through? Like, what do you think?
It looks good. And it looks good and easier to comb through when you put the detangling spray in.
Yeah, so I will say that our favorite product that we received was the strawberry vanilla detangling hair shake, because we spray that in their hair and it helps detangle their hair. Like, we've actually used a ton of it because they both have a lot of hair and they really like it a lot. Another product that I've been really falling in love with is the Oatmeal and Molasses hair soak. It's a 2-in-1 deep conditioner. There's a couple ways to use it. You can put it in their hair and leave it in, which is what I like to do, or you can put it in their hair, apply a little like heat, like blow dry it in a little bit, and then go and rinse it out.
Having a turn.
Yeah, so we've been using that a lot. The shampoo and conditioner also are really great. They have wild yam and maple conditioner, and the shampoo is coconut and cucumber shampoo. Overall, we really like it. The only product that I personally didn't find a lot of use for was the pineapple and honey hair glaze, just because I don't put a lot of hair gel in their hair. The other thing you're probably wondering is, is this product line, like, what kind of hair type is it for? I actually think that the shampoo and conditioner can work in every hair type. You got to be careful though, I will say, with the Oatmeal and Molasses hair soak, because it is a super, super, super deep conditioner. So if you put in too much, their hair might actually look too enriched. But if your kids have really dry hair, it works really well with that too. So overall, I really like it. I think it's an awesome hairline. I'm really excited about it. Honestly, if you're like, what is one product that you have to get from this collection? I would say you have to get the Strawberry Vanilla Detangling Hair Shake. I will put links to all this below in the description box of this video too. The Strawberry Vanilla Detangling Hair Shake is just awesome. Like honestly, their hair, we put it in, and not only does it help take away the tangles, but it also leaves their hair feeling like rich and beautiful. The other thing I like is when I use this leave-in conditioner, their hair lasts so long. So you want to try these products again?
Between
yeah, sure. Do you think other people should try them for their kids' hair?
Yes, because it could get this would make it get out, and
it makes what get out the tangles?
Yeah.
It makes your hair feel awesome.
Like all this stuff helps with the hair products that helps it with all the stuff.
All right, so overall I think it's safe to say that we absolutely love these products. It was a little bit of a learning experience, like I said, trying out the different conditioners and things like that, because like I said, the deep conditioner, it really like deep conditions hair. So if their hair is more fair and not like as coarse, you can over condition. But if you do just like a tiny bit, I'm telling you, their hair is going to be amazing. I actually just used it last night. I put their hair in a braid, pulled it out, and it looks great. All right, sit up. So that is all we have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and we will see you in the next video. And I definitely think you should try out Lustrous Locks. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. The razors, so that's one weird thing about it. The razors you have to order, and then it automatically starts your subscription with them, which like I said,